How to switch accounts on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Android, from your Play Store. Just you have to open that Facebook Messenger app in your Android. You can see this is the desktop of your Messenger. Just you have to click on the three lines which appear at the left top corner. Click on this gear option and you have to scroll this bar and click on privacy and settings here. Just you have to click on it and you can see here different options like restricted accounts, message deliveries and different options. Now you have to click on this switch accounts. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You can switch account by adding new account here. You can switch account by creating new account and you can also sign it on your previous account by clicking on this mark. This is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.